Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by powering the scooter and ensuring it has enough charge. Bluetooth radios need steady power. Next, unlock your phone, open Bluetooth and the scooter app if it has one, because pairing often begins an app. Once done, make sure location permissions are allowed. Some phones require this to detect devices. Keep the scooter within 1-2 meters of your phone to avoid signal drop. This first step primes both devices so the actual pairing can proceed smoothly. You now trigger the scooter's pairing mode, often a long press on the power or Bluetooth button, so it becomes discoverable. Then, in the app or Bluetooth list on your phone, scan and find the scooter's model name. This is the link between hardware and software. Once selected, confirm any PIN prompt or accept the pairing request. This step authorizes control and data exchange. Make sure to wait until the app or phone says connected, because premature actions can interrupt key configuration. You finish by configuring app settings, set maximum speed, enable lights, and check firmware. These adjustments affect safety and performance. Then test ride slowly, using app controls for throttle, lights, or walk mode to verify telemetry and responsiveness. If things go wrong, one key troubleshooting tip is to reboot both the scooter and phone, clear Bluetooth cache on your phone, then retry pairing. This resolves most transient issues. Make sure firmware is current to avoid compatibility problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.